Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn off comments on your Instagram posts. Tap the photo or video you wish to share on Instagram from your phone library. On the screen where you add a caption, tap the Advanced Settings option. Under the Comments header, toggle the Turn Off Commenting bar to On, and then tap the back arrow and continue to post as normal. If you want to turn off comments from a previous post, head to that post and tap the three little dots. Tap the Turn Off Commenting option. Now comments are off. To turn them back on, simply reverse the process. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.